Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see right now, I have some very different hair. This is just absolutely gorgeous and this is from Ready Wigs. So yes, it is a lace front wig. It is not my natural hair. As much as I would love it to look like this, it doesn't. They very kindly sent this to me and I was just going to sort of slot this little unboxing and review in with another video because I am going to use this for a look. But it is so gorgeous, it literally deserves its own video just on its own. So that is what you're getting right now. I am literally obsessed with this, and you can also get 10% off ReadyWigs website with code Laura. And if you want to see how and why I am so obsessed with this wig and this hair colour and just everything about it, then make sure you carry on watching. So as I said, the wig is from Ready Wigs and this is the box it comes in. It's actually quite cute and obviously it said Ready Wigs on it. And then this, oh, everything fell out. And then this is the wig inside. It also does come with care instructions, which is really good, especially if this may be your first wig and you're not exactly sure how to care for it. It does have everything you need on there and also how best to store it. And then the other side has obviously got their social things. It comes with 2 wig caps, which is really good. Like I said, if it is your first wig, you're not going to have these. And these are essential for getting wigs on, especially this colour, as it does hide your natural hair underneath. So you won't be able to see it through the lace on the top. It also came with a little bottle. I'm not entirely sure what this is for. I think maybe for water to help sort of style it a little bit. And then this is the wig. They actually come in like this netting type of thing. It just keeps all the hairs together so they don't get knotted while they're in transit or anything like that. And then this is the wig. Just look how gorgeous this colour is and this texture. Like when I saw it on the website with it so wavy, I sort of expected it to feel a little bit more coarse, but this is actually incredibly soft. I think this is possibly one of the softest feeling wigs I've got, and I have quite a few now. And then this is the front, that is the lace there. It may be a little dark for me, but I'm not too concerned. You can just cover it with foundation or concealer. It's very easy. But this wig actually has baby hairs, and I have never had a wig with baby hairs before. So I'm not entirely sure how you style them, like what you really do with them. So that's going to be sort of trial and error once I've got it on. But these are actually a decent length. Like they're not really short, but they're not long either, and of course they are the exact same colour as the wig. And the colour on this, it's not really picking up on camera, but it's like a very dark brown, almost black on the top, and then the length is a lighter brown, but they are blended so well. It looks so natural at the top. Like, that's unbelievable. It literally looks like it's someone's hair that has been dyed. This is the length of it. As you can see, it's very long. It is actually 24 inches, and this is the Ready Wig brown loose curly synthetic lace front wig. And also most of the others from Ready Wig, you can actually heat these up to 180 degrees, so maybe you lose a bit of a curl or something like that, you can put it back in with the heat, but obviously as long as it's not too high, as it is synthetic hair, so it will melt it and just destroy it. But up to 180 degrees, you're absolutely fine. And you can still wash these wigs. Like I said, the care instructions have everything on, like, that you need to know how to wash them and care for them. I'll show you a close-up of the hairline. You can see the baby hairs just here. They seem to be just at the front bit, really, mainly there. And then this is the inside of the wig. As you can see, it's just lace front, so it's just this portion, which is. But it actually seems to go back quite a bit. Like, there is a good maybe 6 inches of lace at the front, which is really good if you want to part it, especially in the middle parting. It does of course have the clips on the inside, so they're really good for getting into your hair as it makes it stay on so much better. And it does have an elasticated bit at the back so you can make it tight to your head, or you can just sort of hook it into these little hooks at the bottom so it just fits exactly to your head. So you might not really necessarily need to glue it down, especially if you're only wearing it for a short time. Like I use them just for looks, so I don't normally glue down my wigs, I just use that. So yeah, I think I'm going to cut off this lace and get it on my head. I'm very excited to try this on. I absolutely love how it is, and this just gorgeous curl. So this is the wig on and I am absolutely obsessed with it. Like, Oh my god, I've never had hair like this. Like, my hair is not this long, it's not this colour. I cannot get waves like this whatsoever. But oh my god, it is gorgeous, and it is so thick. Like, it doesn't feel heavy when it's on, but the hair itself is so thick, especially round the front. I say the front is probably thicker than the back of it, but to me that's not really a problem because of what I use them for. And obviously if you're bothered, you could just put a hat on. I mean, it's not even obvious from the back at all. It just sort of feels thicker at the front than the back. But oh my god, it is so amazing. I'm not entirely sure how you style these baby hairs at the front, so at the minute I'm just sort of tucking them away to the side. I need to sort of learn how to do that, and maybe sort of pluck maybe the hairline or something at the front. I mean, that's just nothing really, that's just to make it look more natural for what I use it for. That is no reflection at all of the wig, but this is the length of it. This is the ends of it. Like, look how gorgeous this colour is. I'm obsessed, and it's just got this gorgeous texture and colour. These waves are just gorgeous. I just can't get over like how soft this hair is, like with the texture of it. That is just amazing. Oh, I actually really like it on. I just need to learn these baby hairs because it's really annoying me that they're just like in my face. So I do apologise for that. This is, I think this might be one of my now go-to wigs for like looks and things, because I've been wanting like a really dark brown wig, and I think I've just found it. And I think if you lost the curls in this, I think if you just sort of wet it a bit, maybe with that bottle that it came with, and then maybe plaited it or something, just them strands, I think that would help to get the wave back if you lost it. Because you can't really brush it. I think if you brush through this, like with a normal one, you would just brush out all the curls and it would go really frizzy. I've just been using my fingers, just sort of running them through. Or maybe like a really wide tooth comb, something like that, would be really good for keeping it knot free. But I would also say it looks exactly like the image on their website. There is literally no difference. The colour, the texture, the baby hairs, basically all of it is exactly the same as the picture. You could easily go out, just out the box, put it on your head, well, cut the lace first, put it on your head and you are ready to go. Like, it doesn't need anything doing with it, and you don't even need to wear a hat with it. Like, the top actually looks pretty nice. It's not even that shiny, to be honest. It looks quite natural and real. For a synthetic wig, I think that is amazing, because a lot of them look very shiny. This doesn't. It just sort of has like a natural dark hair shine. I'm sure you know what I mean by that. So this is the Ready Wig. So this is the Ready Wig Brown Loose Wave Wig in 24 inches. That is why it has so much length. I am obsessed with that length, by the way. And also, because of the lace being so much at the front and quite far back, you can also style this. Like, it would look amazing just with like back like that sort of thing. How cute is that? Why didn't I do that before? That is so cute. Like, with the baby hairs hanging down. Oh, I like. I'm definitely going to wear this actually out with this hairstyle like this. Like half up, half down. So cute. You can also get 10% off Ready Wig's website using my code Laura. And Ready Wig have so many wigs on their website in like literally every single colour you can think of. I definitely have my eye on a couple more. And I think after trying this and being so impressed, I may have to treat myself to one. There was this gorgeous green one, and I think that would be perfect for Christmas. Like Christmassy look sort of thing. So I might have to treat myself to that. I will also leave a link to this particular wig down below, and like I said, you can get 10% off their entire website using code Laura. And like I said at the start of the video, I will be using this for a certain look coming up soon. To see what that is, you'll have to make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as well. So I hope you liked my review of Ready Wigs, and yeah, have to let me know what you think of this wig on. I am just obsessed. See you soon with another video. Bye!